Hey everyone, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News Wednesday night edition. Mike Schultz with you once again. We're talking weather. We're talking about a nice day across the interior. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures not as warm as we were hoping for, but still a very nice day. And we're looking at this to be the trend right on into the weekend with maybe an outside chance of a few showers tomorrow, and then things getting a lot better in the weekend. Our photograph night sent in by Bill Cody, and as we call it a great mountain shot because he was on the Tanana River around the Shaw River, and he was able to capture this. What a gorgeous, beautiful photograph that is. And as always, like we say, if you have a photograph that you want to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. The numbers look like this: 72 for our high today, the low last night, a very warm 54. Record high 85 in 2011, record low 28 in 1927. Sunrise and sunset over 20 hours of daylight by 2 minutes, and that's a gain of 6 minutes from yesterday. On the satellite and radar, not a whole lot going on. Things have cleared out pretty good. As you can see, for the most part, we're looking at just some clouds over the Canadian area, a Canadian border, right along the Canadian border, and that's about it. And out to the southwest, again, looking at, for the most part, a few scattered showers here and there. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, as you can see here, temperature-wise, looking at Juneau at 55 degrees, Ketchikan, some showers in 62. Also around the Anchorage Bowl, 60 in sunshine. Kodiak at 54 sunshine, and Cold Bay 55 and partly cloudy skies. Not too bad. Nome warmed up a little bit, 45 degrees there, cooling down to freezing at Barrow 32, and Fort Yukon at 72 degrees. All right, lower 48 weather. We're going to be talking again about more activity moving across parts of Texas. More thunderstorm activity there, something they don't need. More showers and thunderstorms across the Central Plains too. Out to the west, warming up pretty good. Phoenix at 97, Las Vegas 93. Elsewhere on the East Coast, looking at a little bit of activity around the Miami Peninsula, 88 degrees there, New York 81. On the satellite and radar, more storms moving across the eastern sections of the country, and then more storms firing up in the daytime. Boy, look at this boundary here of storms moving off the eastern slopes of the Rockies. That means more heavy rain for those folks there. And the overall outlook is because of the humidity coming in off the Gulf of Mexico, clashing with that cold air coming in from the west. And it's strong storms later on this evening into tomorrow, also all day long. Now, the overall outlook for this weekend, a little bit of a break there for the folks because the jet stream moves back up to the north, which means not as much agitation in the atmosphere, and so storms will be mainly confined to parts of the deep south with very warm temperatures out to the west. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. We're looking at mostly cloudy skies at Barrow, chance of rain for Nome and Fort Yukon. While here in the interior, looking at, for the most part, cloudy skies, a chance of rain for Fairbanks and Healy. Maybe some isolated thunderstorms around the Delta Junction area. While over to the southeastern sections, mostly sunny skies in Juneau and mostly cloudy skies at Ketchikan. And temperatures right around the 60-degree mark. Out to the southwest, rain for Cold Bay, partly cloudy skies for Kodiak, and periods of rain expected in Bethel. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, well, for the most part, mostly sunny skies for Anchorage and Homer, and partly cloudy skies for Valdez. Well, our forecast for tonight for the Fairbanks area looking pretty good. Looking at just scattered clouds. Cannot rule out a shower. There are a few out to the east of us. If they drift this direction, then we'll look like maybe showers, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. 51 for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast 71, increasing clouds with a chance of rain, and the extended forecast cooling off for the weekend, right around 70 degrees. Overnight lows, again, very consistent, right around the 47 to 50 degree mark. And the precipitation chances will be mainly around an opportunity of some afternoon or evening showers, possibly for the, well, toward the weekend, but not quite in the weekend.